Hi guys, welcome to the economics test, demand and supply. If you need more time, please pause the video. If the price of K declines, the demand curve for the complementary product J will. Answer C, shift to the right. Which of the following would not shift the demand curve for beef? Answer B, a reduction in the price of cattle feed. Refer to the above diagram. The equilibrium price and quantity in this market will be. Answer A, $1 and $200. An increase in the price of a product will reduce the amount of it purchased because. Answer C, consumers will substitute other products for the one whose price has risen. A farm's supply curve is upsloping because. Answer C, beyond some point, the production cost of additional units of output will rise. An effective ceiling price will. Answer C, result in a product shortage. Which of the above diagrams illustrates the effect of a governmental subsidy on the market of AIDS research? Answer C, C only. Refer to the above diagram. A price of $20 in this market will result in. Answer E, a shortage of 100 units. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. You're fucking awesome.